What's going on YouTube? SRT Dad, and guess what? We already have the first mod for my Ram TRX. Let's check it out. All right, those of you that follow the channel know that I have custom interior seat covers on my wife's Jeep Grand Cherokee, my Charger SRT8, and now I'm getting it for my Ram TRX. All right, so I unboxed this. All right, so let's check this out. Kind of what the box looks like here. Beautiful. Look at this box, guys. It looks really nice. I don't remember the other ones coming in this box. Check it out. Custom interior, guys. Let's open this box now. Push this box back a little bit. Let's see. Wow. This is really nice. Check this out, guys. Oh. Check this material out, guys. Oh, it smells like brand new. Wow. All right. Before we start this, let me show you the interior of the TRX and why I'm putting them on. All right, so this is the interior of the TRX. You can see it has beautiful seats. They're not brand new. The truck has 40,000 miles now. I just crossed 40,000, but the seats still look like they're in great condition. I have a dog, and I like to have them in my cars. And with these seat covers, I don't have to worry about anything. But you kind of see what the seats look like. Like I said, in great condition, great quality seats in these Ram TRXs. But I'm gonna put these seat covers on. And one, they're gonna look brand new, and two, they're gonna protect pretty much my seats, my original seats, from getting damaged. So let's go ahead and let's do it, guys. All right, I have all the seats laid out. All the seats, you can clearly see what's for the back and what's for the front. But for the front right here, I don't know if you guys can see me. Try to stage the camera as best as I could. I'm gonna take this headrest out. So to take it out, it stops here, and you just have to push them both again, and then they'll come out completely. Okay. So now I'm gonna go around the front and just basically put on the cover. I'll show you what it looks like right now. This is what it looks like. Let's see. You literally just slide it on over the top and then put the headrest back on. All right, guys, this one had two. So make sure there's not two, there's two within one, my bad. This should be easier this time around. Thought there was something off. There we go, now it's a lot easier. It's tripping. Much easier. I'm over here struggling with these. There we go. Nice, sweet. Yep. Yeah. Oh, guys, that was hard. All right, so I wanted to get up close so you can see these little tabs. They slide under. You'll slide it all the way through, and on the back, it'll squeeze out through the back, and you'll just turn it underneath. So it'll squeeze out through here, and then you just pull it and then turn it to the side so it sticks. Make sure you zip this up, and then up here, for where your headrest is gonna go, you just... sorry, my phone overheated because it's that hot out here, but again, you're just gonna push these down and kind of just get it around. That way you can put the headrest in, but it's kind of hard to do it with one hand. Let me pause it, I'll show you. All right, so just like this, you see that? You can see how fitted the cover is. So also the headrest is gonna have its own cover. And then let's go ahead and just see the difference between the two so far. Again, you can see what the original looks like and what this one looks like. Obviously, this one looks a lot nicer. It's brand new, of course. These last long though. I still have it on my Charger, still have it on the Jeep, and they look brand new still, okay? So let's go ahead, let's put the headrest on. Let's do the bottom so you can see what one seat looks like, and then I'll do the other one real quick, okay? All right, so here's one so far. You can see OEM look, the white stitching, just like the original seat. Obviously, the original seat's not brand new. This one looks a lot better, just minus the TRX logo. It is a bitch getting under there, getting those two hooks to connect. I had to have my 10-year-old son to help me. He has small hands to get under there. But let's do the back, do the seat. Let's do this seat. I'm not gonna record because it's freaking hot out. My phone keeps overheating. But I'll just go step by step. Every time I get a seat done, I'll kind of go over it, all right? All right, I got the second seat on. Okay, there's the first one, second one. Now the back, I was trying to figure out how to get this seat to come out because this lever wasn't working right here. The lever here wasn't going, but you have to, I guess, pick this up and then pull that lever, right? Oh, no, still not. What the hell? All right, so it's the next day. I got the back seats on. Okay, so here's the thing about these TRXs. And sorry, my phone overheated yesterday and I just got hot. These seats go up, okay? These seats go up, but I'm pretty sure these don't go back. I tried pulling this latch, it doesn't go back. So putting the seat up and putting this on is really simple. This is an 80-20 split, by the way, so this is its own separate piece. It's easy to put it on. Now this, I got a little challenging. I had to basically put it on over the top and squeeze my fingers through the back, essentially. But you want to pay attention to these little, the headrests. They have like a little button that you have to push. I just used a small screwdriver to push it to get the headrest off and to get this on over the top. But this is what it looks like. Now, if you really want to put it on and really strap everything good on the back, the only other thing I could think of is unbolting this off and removing it, but I didn't want to have to go through that. This is just seat covers. I just have them just to protect my original seats from my dog, okay, and my kids, because they like to eat and make a mess. And with this, it's completely fine. I don't care. The next day, it's hot as hell, like I said, but let's go ahead. I want to show you guys the full new interior of this Ram TRX, the new custom interior. Let's check it out. All right, let's turn the truck on. All right, I opened the windows. You can see the seats right here. The back looks amazing, and I'll show you guys all the angles. But like I said, very easy to install. As far as complexity, it's complex. As far as complexity, it's easy to put on. Now, it's gonna take a lot of elbow grease to put these on. It takes a lot of hard work to put these on, but the freaking truck looks brand new, guys. Let me just, oh man, it looks brand new in here. Let me show you guys. Let me just show you guys. All right, I zoomed out the camera, but check this out. Look at how brand new it looks in here in the TRX, guys. Okay, it looks brand spanking new in here. Just check it out. Check it out. Amazing. And I'll go back to one right here. Check this out, guys. Okay. Now all right, this is what it looks like with me in the car. You can see the back looks really good. I would say the only downside is I don't have the TRX on here anymore, but the main reason I got these seats was so I could have my dog in here. But yeah, it looks freaking great. Again, the install is a little rough, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. I don't think there's any TRX owners with these seat covers on yet. As far as the back right here, if you guys find out if I can put that back down, if I can bring it down, if I can fold those seats down, let me know. Other than that, the install wasn't too hard. It took me, say, an hour and a half to completely do the job, but it was worth it. If you guys enjoy this content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm SRT Dad. Thanks for joining me on the first mod for the TRX. Stay tuned for more. I'm out.